Hi guys, today we are making eggplant fritters. Wash your eggplant very well. This was freshly picked from the farm. A bowl with some water, add a teaspoon of salt. Start slicing your eggplant. I would say about 3/4 centimeter thick. Now take the eggplant and soak it into this salted water so that there's no itchy issue, no issue at all as you eat your eggplant fritters. A lot of people tend to have like itchy when they eat eggplant. So if you do it this way, you are not going to get any itchiness. Just let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. In a mixing bowl, add all-purpose flour, add besan or gram flour, add salt, baking soda, add chopped coriander and chopped green onion. Now mix everything, add water, a little bit at a time, and mix. And I end up finishing mixing this butter by hand. If your besan need to be sifted and your flour as well, just sift them. Mine was okay, so I don't have to. Now you can see our butter is perfect. This is what you're looking for. No runny and no thicker than this. Heat oil over medium-high heat. Remove the eggplant from the water and dip in the butter, and we are gonna fry in over medium-high heat for about 6 to 7 minutes. After 2-3 minutes, now I'm gonna flip the eggplant fritters, and I'm gonna flip again until it catch a nice golden color, not too dark, not too light, just in between medium. And my eggplant fritters is looking gorgeous. Now remove on a plate with paper towel. As you can see, this is the color that I was talking about, a nice golden color, not too dark, not too light. Written ingredient is down below in the description box. If you do like this recipe, please hit a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time with another one. For now, bye bye.